Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be talking about the trending topic that is the Squid Game. If you haven't heard it so far, I'm gonna be talking about the Squid Game. Now you would be thinking what the art's relation is in with the print on demand. Well, I'm gonna be talking about the power of Squid Game. Oh yes. You can utilize your own print-on-demand business, your own online business, or in fact your own online strategy with. So I'm going to be talking about it, incorporating the art game into your print-on-demand journey and making more sales and all. So let's dive in. Before we go back, consider clicking the like button guys to appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, you can check out the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below. Also, you can subscribe to our email newsletter. The link is in description box below. It's 100% free. It will going to deliver you exclusive content regarding making money online. Let's talk about what's the hype about the art Squid Game. Like if you just Google it, you're gonna see there is a big hype. Even if you go on YouTube, there are so many people talking about the game. Like it's so much popular. What's the hype about it and how we can utilize it? Because now one thing I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm not that kind of person who usually go and follow the trends. I rarely go and follow the trends. But if you're looking forward to follow the trends, then this could be an amazing win for you because people are like full hyped about it. And we as a print-on-demand seller, as a business owner, we can actually utilize this particular opportunity into our business to make more sales, to get more attention, more views and engagement. So I got a lot of the comments about. First of all, I'm gonna be talking about a little bit intro about this game. If you don't know about this game and much detail about it. So Netflix production Squid Game has exceeded expectation by becoming the most watched show ever on the streaming platform, garnering over 100 million viewers and raking an estimated US $900 million. In a value for a company. So this is the Netflix production Squid Game. So if you are into the Netflix and you watch the Netflix, then you might have heard about it, or if not, then check out the Netflix and see which is this production is all and how it is. So aside from record numbers, the Korean TV series has also triggered a cultural paradigm shift of sorts, with areas such as fashion, events, social media trends, and art having been heavily influenced by the show. Okay, so these are the three topics that have been covered in this show. It's basically a Korean-based Netflix show, but right now it's so much popular that people are going into that. And if you guys know that I used to make the Redbubble trend videos and I'm not making it, I would be covering that thing in my separate video. But if you're looking for trending topics, then this could be the trend for you. Squid Game. It's the Squid Game. It could be a trending one for you. Thing is talking about the Squid Game is also a style phenomenon. We can easily spare these first few introduction lines to explain what Squid Game is and how it has become a cultural phenomenon in just a few days, the basis for passionate conversations and memes maker. Among the reasons that are determining the success of what Ted Sarandos, the CEO, retro tracksuits, Vicky Magenta, boiler suits, mask, the relaunch of clean sneakers such as slip-ons and the set of symbols that make Squid Game also a moment of style. So it's a style that you could see that this kind of retro track suits, squeaky magenta boiler suits kind of like would be in trending if you are going with this kind of stuff. Really more interested in about the print on demand, how we can utilize it. Let's talk about the first platform that I'm going to be talking about based on the Squid Game is the Redbubble. If you are selling currently on this Redbubble, then you could utilize this particular trend. If you go into the Redbubble and you actually type the Squid Game Netflix wallet, you're gonna see 2,607 search results. So that means it's not that much competitive to target, and you could target it. Games to earn 45.6 million won. Like you could just have a humor around this game or a funny joke, or maybe a sarcasm kind of like stuff you could have around this game. And one thing I want to tell you guys, don't go into much of the trademark stuff over here because this show may be having a trademark, maybe having a copyright, so you don't need to copy their caricatures, you don't need to copy their characters, but you could actually utilize them in your print on demand. Like you could have them on your t-shirts, have on your mugs, or even the notebooks. stickers. Like there could be a Squid Game, because this may be copyright trademark, you might land into trouble. So I'm not telling you to go with the caricatures, with the characters, with the cartoons, and with all the things that are there in the show to actually use there in your designs. You don't need to do them. You could simply make a simple text-based design around this game, talking about their views, their kind of like style, the kind of like a tradition. You could include them in your design, not exactly copying them, kind of like taking an inspiration idea from them and then incorporating them in your design. And then you could use the title, tag, and description and the keywords on in your design to be found on the Google, because people are looking for this particular trend, that is the Squid Game, on the Google a lot many times. And you could see the Redbubble is also ranking for this particular keyword. When you're typing the Squid Game onto the Google, the Redbubble shop, in fact the Redbubble is also ranking for this particular trend. So you could hop on for this particular trend, but please guys, don't go with the trademark, don't go with the copyright. You don't need to copy this show's title, characters, and all that. You could actually create a humor, a text-based design, or maybe a small cartoon or caricatures that doesn't resemble completely the Squid Game. Make the designs copyright free and trademark free. So you could play around with the trend, because it's really trending. There are so many YouTubers, the Mr. Beast have also utilized this particular trend, and there are so many YouTubers are talking about this game, this show, and some people are also making the artwork caricatures on their YouTube channel. So it's much more trending and people are looking for it. Because one thing I want to tell you, being found on that particular search engine, like on the Redbubble itself, we also want to found our shop onto the search engine on the Google. Okay, we also want that, because if you are ranking on a Google from your print-on-demand shop, then obviously you're gonna get the good sales. So you could follow the trend. One way to go and be found on the search engine is to go with the trends. Of course, the trends would be high. When it's trending, it will go down. So you also need to kind of like have an evergreen, but very well at times, few times a month or few times in a year, you could actually go and target with the trending, with the trends, to just try your hands over it and see whether it worked for you, whether it didn't work for you. If it didn't work for you, you could simply unpublish the design later on. But giving it a try is not that a bad idea. So this is about the Redbubble. Let's see if any other print-on-demand platform are currently selling the Squid Game related stuff or not. Guys, on the Amazon and even on the Spreadshirt, the people are currently selling the Squid Game t-shirts and hoodies and different kinds of products. So this is in trending right now. You could very well utilize it. I'm gonna place some of the examples here and there so you can see what kind of t-shirt designs are selling in this category. But to have a simple text-based design around this game without actually going into the copyright, into the trademark, still you can utilize this trend. It's trending right now. You could be able to found on the Google search engine by this particular trend right now, because people are looking for that, and Redbubble is ranking for this particular Squid Game onto the Google on the very first page. I've seen personally for myself, it's ranking there. So if you're having a Redbubble shop, utilize it. It's not that competitive. If you're utilizing this particular tags or keywords at the Squid Game, it's not that competitive. You could still rank on the Redbubble. You could still rank on the Amazon as well, or even on the Spreadshirt. You just need to be a little bit more smart and copyright free and trademark. So hopefully you find today's video useful about the Squid Game and how you can utilize it in your own print-on-demand journey in your online businesses. Even if you are a YouTuber who is making the YouTube videos, then you could also utilize the Squid Game in your YouTube channel. You could see that if you're making an art or game or animation, or maybe making some kind of craft, you could make it around the Squid Game and can be popular and can get more views and more engagement on your YouTube channel. Likewise, you can see that I have utilized the Squid Game for this channel. The same way, you could also incorporate the Squid Game in your own YouTube channel, in your own style, in your own niche and category. You could even Google it or go to the YouTube and see how people are utilizing it, and you could also do it to get more eyeballs, more engagement, and for print-on-demand journey, you could get more sales. So hopefully you find this video useful. To let me know in the comment section below about the Squid Game. Are you utilizing this category or niche in your print-on-demand? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye.